First, open the Pocketful app. At the bottom, you'll see the Scalper tab. Just tap on it and click Start Scalping. This will take you to the Scalper page, where you can choose your preferred index like Nifty 50, Bank Nifty, Midcap, Fin Nifty, or Sensex. On this screen, you can easily view both call and put options for any strike price together, along with their charts. You can also adjust the time frame based on how you like to trade. When you're ready to place a trade, simply select your lot size or quantity, adjust the strike price if needed, and tap on Buy Call or Buy Put. You can always check your trades in the Orders section and track your live positions in the Positions tab. If you want more insights, head over to the option chain, where you can see details like LTP, open interest, and strike prices, and even switch contracts easily. For example, if you've bought a Nifty 50 call option, you can view it in the order window. And whenever you want to exit, just hit square off, and your trade will be closed. That's it, you're all set. To try it yourself, just download the Pocketful app and start using the Scalper tool for smarter trading.